Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to check IMEI in your Oppo A16. To check IMEI, try to pick up the phone with application, open the keyboard, and there write the code like this. And there you have a two IMEI because there are two dual SIM option, and the IMEI 1 is for slot 1 and IMEI 2 is for slot 2nd. There is other case how we can enter and check the IMEI. There we go to settings about the phone, and there is a status of IMEI, and as you see there is the same information about your IMEI number with slot 1 and IMEI number with slot 2. And that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!